This paper presents a literative study on image processing in medical field. Image processing has a wide variety of applications which includes remote sensing, electrical applications, etc. In medical field, we are able to identify the disorders with the help of image processing. This paper mainly concentrates on various methods which are in use for the blood disorder classification. Many authors published various methods for the detection of blood disorders. Blood disorders can be identified from the blood smear images captured. Millions of people in each year are affected by blood disorders, which include anemia, hemophilia, and other bleeding disorders. All these diseases affect the white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. This can lead blood cells to function abnormally, which may lead to any disease condition or affects our health. There are mainly two research responsibilities for blood tests. One is to ensure the safety in blood supply, and second is to detect and finding solution for various blood disorders, and some disorders causes the number of blood cells to decrease and some other cause it to decrease. Some blood disorders affects the blood proteins within the blood cells or the blood plasma. Recent developments in the medical microscopy introduces the concept of detecting blood disorders on the microscopic images. The integration of the digital imaging with basic cell counter results could lead to a faster detection for the detection of the hematological malignancies. Several algorithms is able to automatically capture the images, and by various morphological and the volumetrical operations, it is able to generate a complete blood picture in the generated report. The image processing is an efficient and standardized way for the morphological analysis. Various studies propose to use different image processing and the segmentation technique for the detection of the disorders. All this together with the use of machine learning method, it is able to propose a fast and efficient method for identifying disorders. Many research studies include the detection of the different blood categories and to identify the presence of disease-causing pathogens in the blood. There are various methodologies that can be used for the detection of the malarial parasites and the identification of malignant cells and the detection of the anemic blood conditions. Red blood cells can be classified into many categories which is based on its size, shape, texture of its cell and the pallor. The abnormality found in its size, shape, texture indicate the occurrence of the disease called the anemia. This paper gives a view of methods that are in use for the blood cells classification. From the captured images, various image processing techniques can be extracted and we can obtain various cell features from that, so that we are able to classify the type of cells and its number, etc. from the features obtained. More number of features extracted will increase the accuracy of the classification. In this paper, the optimization of the WBC and RBC from blood sample based on the microscopic images explains a preliminary study on the detection and the classification of the blood cells. For image pre-processing, green plane extraction, histogram equalization, and contrast brightness enhancement are performed. A segmentation which can be used for the object recognition, boundary estimation within a motion or the stereo systems, image compression, image editing, or the image database lookup. Segmentation can be three types: the edge-based segmentation, region-based segmentation, and the threshold-based method, which will be explained in later. The features are will be extracted in the post-processing phase. In this paper, the automatic detection and the quantification of WBC and RBC using an iterative structured circle detection algorithm introduces an iterative structured circle detection algorithm for counting blood cells. The block diagram or the flowchart for the circle detection algorithm is shown in here, is shown in figure, and the basic idea for the proposed method was derived from the RCD algorithm. The quality of the image plays a vital role in the proper detection of the blood cells, and so that we need a quality check module to ensure the quality of the image. And for that, the image quality assessment, the various methods can be used. It can be reference based method or no reference based method or partially reference based one. BRISC is a no reference based method for the quality assessment. It detects unfocused, blur, empty, darker images using the concept of MSCN. MSCN is a mean subtracted contrast normalized. It's a patented algorithm. It uses the image pixels to calculate the features. Other methods like the FFT, wavelet transform, DCT, etc. uses a transformation to any other spatial domain. But this BRISC is not uses, it will not be transformed to any other spatial domain, so that it will be highly efficient. It develops a spatial natural scene statistic model or the NSS model of the locally normalized luminance in the spatial domain, as well as, and also it will develop a model for the pairwise products of this coefficient. Locally normalized luminance can be obtained by local mean subtraction divided by local deviation. It is also called mean subtracted contrast normalized coefficient or the MSEN coefficient. Local mean can be calculated by applying a Gaussian filter to image. Mathematically, it is little bit confusing, so we prefer Gaussian filter. Local deviation can be calculated by taking the square root of the local mean square minus sigma, where sigma is the convolution of the image square and the Gaussian kernel. And after that, we'll take the pairwise product of the coefficient. The signs of the adjacent coefficient of the image also exhibit a regular structure. It gets disturbed in the presence of distortion. So that we'll make use of the pairwise product for the proper to check the quality of the image. The pairwise product we take the pairwise product in the 4 direction: horizontal, vertical, main diagonal and the secondary diagonal. And by feeding all these 5 output images into an SVM, we are able to so that we are able to separate the images which are blur and unfocused and darker images. Abdul Nasir and Mustafa and Mohammad Nasir have presented a rapid, novel, minimally invasive approach for the cancer detection based on Fourier transform infrared microspectroscopic analysis of the peripheral blood plasma, coupled with the advanced computational method. They have developed an automatic computerized classification method that alerts for any signs of the cancer presence even in the early stages, regardless of the location of the solid tumor and without the need to search for a specific type of cancer. And also we are able to detect the leukemia from the blood smear images, and in that After the feature extraction using the technique of the flow cytometry and machine learning based coding, the classification is performed. These are the various segmentation methods that can be used. It include watershed algorithm, Sachs thresholding, k-means classification. In the study of image processing, a watershed is a transformation defined on a grayscale image. The name refers metamorphically to a geological watershed or drainage divide, which separate adjacent drainage basins. Sachs thresholding can be used for the breast cancer detection. SAC algorithm or the triangle thresholding algorithm to be used to determine the generated threshold value based on the gray intensity histogram out of some components of the image parts associated with a line. The segmentation can be three types: the region based, threshold based, and also edge based segmentation. SAC thresholding is a threshold based segmentation. The other threshold based segmentation include Otsu thresholding, multi-level thresholding, maximum entropy and the minimum entropy thresholding, and also the SAC thresholding. In SAC algorithm or triangle thresholding, it is the algorithm to be used to determine the generated threshold value based on a gray intensity histogram. In broad sense, the algorithm is consisted of several procedures, namely finding the minimum maximum value of the degree of grayness and finding the farthest periphery and describing the connecting lines. Secondly, the Otsu thresholding and another threshold based segmentation method is a searching method of an optimal threshold value obtained by using discriminating criteria to maximize the distribution result of the two classes on the grayness level. This method was done to minimize the total weight of some variance in the class of the background and foreground pixels to obtain optimal threshold. Thirdly, the multi-level thresholding is a recursive algorithm based on the Otsu method introduced. It is considered to be effective in computing to find many threshold levels in the image by using table lookup. The working of this method is by modifying the class variance which is previously calculated and stored in the lookup table to reduce the computation complexity of cumulative probability and the mean of each class. And fourthly, the maximum and the minimum thresholding entropy is a thresholding algorithm based on the entropy distribution from the degree of the gray image. The methods of the classification is given below. After segmentation, we are able to extract the features. The various features that can be extracted from a segmented image we include the area, perimeter, aspect ratio, Fourier descriptor, form factor, etc. From all these geometrical features and the shape features, we are able to classify the blood cells by giving a threshold value for each type of cells. For example, in the case of the blood cells, RBC blood cells, there will be macro cells, which indicates the presence of the anemic disorder. In that macro cells, the area of the cell will be larger. So that giving a threshold which is greater, give a threshold, the threshold value which is greater than that value will be a macro cell and other is a normal cell. Like that, we are able to classify the cell based on this feature. This research involves a study on image processing methods used in the medical image processing for the detection of the blood disorders. Optimization of the blood cell identification and clinical metrics have a high importance in the medical field. Several algorithms currently using having a maximum accuracy of 90%. For the optimization of the blood algorithm, it is needed to identify the issues and provide necessary solutions to the root causes. From the case study, the quality of the image plays a vital role in the performance of the system. For the blood cell classification, several methods that are in use to discriminate cell categories. The continuous analysis and the testing is needed to find the optimization areas associated with the algorithm. These are the references. Thank you.